Hey, I'm J. Nicole Ralph.
And I'm Yamoria Wright. Working Out the Kinks is a hair-centric sitcom-style web series about how differences in hair affects lives, relationships, careers, and even love. Everybody and their mother is going to be able to relate to the characters on Working Out the Kinks, no matter where you're from.
Yes, the funny isms about our hair that we have that nobody else has or even understands sometimes, like wrapping our hair at night, or the big chop, or why our hair can be this short one day and down to the floor the next. Somebody patting her hair, like, why is that girl patting her hair like that? Or touch your hair, you know, all the people that ask you generally, can I touch your hair? And you just like, no. Those are the things that come up in Working Out the Kinks.
This smart yet sassy and down-to-earth comedy is like Girlfriends meets Unwritten Rules with a kinky hair twist. It's about women
And men.
struggling through life, love, and of course,
Their hair. We have a heart to serve the people, our people, and a web series can reach all people across the world in an instant.
And the only way that we can do that is with your help. Our budget right now is $30,000.
And that goes to cover production costs, which include the director, cinematographer, line producer, crew, our actors. We need to feed our crew
Or
and
they
our
won't
actors.
want to work with us.
They won't work and then you don't get a show. We don't want that. We don't want that. So let's feed them, okay? It goes for lights. It goes for sound, camera equipment, editing, and finally marketing and distribution.
So that you can see it.
Don't you want to see it? It's gonna be fierce. You should see it.
You're helping to support young artists, female artists who are Black women as well, and you're helping to support us to get a story out there, our story that we've experienced in this world, and to bring it out to you.
We need to tell this story. It's a big part of our culture.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Hair is everything.
So, if you have money, donate. Help a sister out. If you don't have money, borrow some. Click on the link and donate. But if you don't have this kind of hair, this is still going to be a fun, funny story, and you're
Absolutely.
supporting people, artists, who want to have their story told. Like,
Yeah.
if that matters to you, people being able to create their own content and share it with the world, that's a reason to donate. So click the link below, donate, and then send it to 3 friends, because I know you got 3 friends.
Thank you. It all starts here.